if she's still getting fit. Bollywood style. Hey, Sangeeta.
Oh yeah, we're working out here. It's hot out here. I love it. It feels like we're in India, doesn't it? Okay, so we're doing this.
All right,
side
we're
to
going
side.
to do light bulb, side-to-side lunges. You're going to go to the
Okay.
side, screw in the light bulb
my
3
pants are
times.
gonna
go
tear my
inside,
Indian dress.
screw in the light bulb
Okay.
3 times.
All right, keep
Viewers at home, you can do this. This is a simple Bollywood dance move, screwing in the light bulb. It also gets you to pause at the bottom of the lunge to make you work your thighs more.
Now, should you have that shyness face? You know how the Bollywood dancers look there, you know.
Well, you can go 2 looks. You can go shy and sleek, or you can just go flat out goofy.
Okay,
They
next
tend to
move.
do
Let's
either.
do the next
Okay,
move.
next
Here we
move
go.
we're going to be doing is the love dance lunges. Viewers at home, you can do this along with us.
Okay.
You're going to put your hands together overhead. You're going to do a forward step lunge, and then you're going to shimmy your head side to side 3 times. Return
Oh,
back.
this is classic,
and repeat.
classic.
Going side to side.
I think my
return
pants are
back
perfect. Okay.
and repeat. So if you're going to slim down for the summer, you might as well look sexy doing it. Looking sexy Bollywood, just like our group is here today.
We want to be
with
sexy.
the love
That's
dance
what it's
lunges.
all about. Okay,
Perfect.
Bollywood is sexy.
All right, now the next one we're going to do is the burpee shrugs. Everyone down on your hands and feet. Down on your hands and feet. That's it. Now stand up. You're going to do a shrug and a goofy face to the left, right, repeat, back down. So as compared to regular Bollywood movies where they just do the shrug and the goofy face, we're throwing a burpee into it to get people burning more calories, slimming down for the summer.
Look at
You do this
TT.
at home?
This is a
Oh
hard
yeah,
one.
he's
This
got
is
the
definitely
goofy
a hard
face.
one. Okay.
He's got the goofy face mastered right there.
Oh,
That
this
is gorgeous.
This is a great idea. Who came up with the concept?
So I came up with the concept to get my clients at Medcan more motivated. We wanted to find creative, fun ways to get people exercising. We also don't want to have them use a lot of equipment. We want to make it easy for them to do these workouts at home because that removes one of the main barriers to exercise. People just don't have time, right?
It's a great idea. And the music. You have beautiful Bollywood music. So we're
Yep.
going to do some. So let's do the classic move, everyone. The
All
light
right.
bulb. I think it's called a light bulb. Okay, how
This
do you
is
do
the
it?
light bulb here. You're just going to spin like you're turning in a light
Okay.
bulb. Yeah, and
right.
oh, and he's throwing a little bit of a
Tracy, give it a
little
try.
bit of a foot tap here as well.
Tap, tap,
Working a little bit of the cardio.
and tap.
Am I working it?
tap.
Am I
Burning
working
a little
it?
bit of fat.
All right, we're going to break. More Bollywood inspired coming up. Come on, Mel. Come on.